This is the Fleischmann class 218 from one of my previous videos. It's Fleischmann 4938. I thought I'd take a closer look at it because this is actually a track cleaning locomotive. I've opened the shell because it was a bit of a fight to get it off. To remove the shell, there's a single screw down in there which needs to be removed, and that catches onto the shell there. But why I wanted to look at this was it's a track cleaning locomotive, and underneath on the front, on the front bogie, are these two tiny little track cleaning pads, and they are motorized. They've got their own motor. The locomotive is propelled by this standard Fleischmann ring-filled type motor in the rear bogie, but the front bogie has this motor driving and rotating the two cleaning pads, which can be pushed up into the locomotive, I guess, to stop it catching on things. You can switch you can disable the motor by turning this little switch here using a screwdriver smaller than this one. If you turn it through 90 degrees, it interrupts the current flow to this motor and stops it turning. But I have never seen a track cleaning device like this before. I'm sure it's not terribly effective, I'm sorry to say, because those pads are minuscule. But it's an interesting design nonetheless. So if I put it on a piece of test track, camera doesn't show, just about shows the motor turning. Very strange. Oh well, there we are. The Fleischmann 218 class 4938.